told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
So from time to time, I love to change the face of my living room. So yesterday, I had some visitors over and this is how my living room was looking like. Everything was just lying around and I wanted to change. I have been meaning to change the face of this living room for a while now, and I haven't had the time because every time I flip it over I need to wash up everything so that I can keep it. And today is that day. I just want to flip this living room. It's a small space, but from time to time I give it a new face just by moving things around, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. Don't leave your living rooms to be so boring. And yeah, as you have seen, it was so dirty, and I kind of don't like this curtain box. I am planning to see whether I can change it to the rods, but then again it's a rented apartment, so yeah, changing things around is just too much work. I'm just trying to work with what I have. So this is how it looks like for now, and stick with me to the end and see how I am going to flip everything over, and I hope that you will like the outcome.
A smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is to remove these curtains. They have been here for a while, so they are a bit dirty, so I'm just removing them so that I can wash them. Then I'm just picking up all the excess things that are there, like decluttering, like now keeping everything where it's supposed to be. Yeah, like these utensils, I'm taking them to the kitchen sink and everything. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelmed. These throw blankets are going directly to the laundry. I'm gonna wash them. And my friend gifted me these shoes and I also just came with them, so I'm going to keep them away. And for the cushions, I'm going to remove all the cushion covers, guys. Now this is these things amazed me. You see, when you look at them, they don't look so dirty, but wait until you wash them. They were so dirty, Annie. I'll show you later, and you will see. They actually look clean, but they are dirty.
Too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So this is how dirty my seat is. Me sijui how this dirt gets into these seats, but yeah, this is how it is. So I will just start by sweeping the visible dirt off with a broom, and that will be it. And as you can see, huko kwa corner at the edges, it's where most of it is. Therefore, when you are sweeping it, make sure that you use a broom that is able to reach those places. Yeah. Now for my for cleaning the seat, I'm going to use water and liquid soap and an essential oil. The reason I put the essential oil is just for the fragrance, so that once I am done cleaning my seats, will be smelling nice. And this is kinda not very wet clean, it's like a dry cleaning kind of thing, and it always works for me because once I am done, my seats look more cleaner. And after this first wash, I also did like 2 more washes until the water was clear. Brush first and then I use a piece of cloth. This is how we are looking like. It's a quick wash, especially if you are sure that it's only the dust that is making your seats dirty. This is another area that I want to rearrange, and this is what has been there. So I'm removing my carpet just to wash it because it's dirty. If you want to see how dirty it is, just look at the dirt that will be left. See guys how dirty this thing is. It doesn't look dirty, but these are all the dirt particles that just came from me swirling it up. Even I haven't washed it, I haven't wiped it, but hii ndio uchafu yenye ilikuwa. So yeah, you can see. Waneni sasa, this is how dirty these things were. I mean, the first water that I washed with ilitoka poka inakaa mchanga. It was so dirty and it doesn't look it. So I had to do another wash. Like I had to soak the covers first in this water because why, it was too dirty. So this is just a quick wash for all the things that I was using in the living room. So hizi ni covers za viti, cushions and curtains. So that is me sitting because mbona tumie mgongo.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Halafu the sun in Nairobi is not sunny, imekataa. So these things, they dried after, I don't know, 2 days. Yeah, they dried after 2 days. On the 3rd day is when I removed them.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
So yeah, this is after everything now is done, and I'm putting back the covers that I need to put back in the seats. And this is where it gets exciting, guys. So this is where I start to flip my living room, and I was just waiting for these covers to be dry. Halafu tuanze.
I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
this is my color of choice. I have these cushion covers. You will see how they will look like once I am done, but I have these cushion covers that I'm gonna change. So I'm going to change it from the purple and gray ones that I had. No, it was maroon. From the maroon and gray ones that I had, I'm going to put this white and bluish, and I don't know it's teal or what color it's this, but najua tu ni color safi na inakaa poa. So these are all the cushion covers that I have. Now for the big ones, I really wanted to change that yellow color, but I don't have extra cushion, so I'm gonna play around with it. Unaanza na kiti, that is the main seat. I'm going to change it from gray, purple and maroon to, I don't know, it's still white, teal and white, yeah.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
And for the table, we are going to change the runners. We have had a yellow one, so I'm gonna change it with this beautiful runner I got from a friend. She gifted me. I think she forgot, and that's how we are looking like. So I'm going to also flip that working station to a new place, and I don't like the face of the cable, how it looks like there. So I hope the new position will be so good. And this is how everything is, and because of the cushions and everything, my surface was a bit dirty, and we'll just go in and wipe it down, and this is what we have after I have wiped everything. And let the process now begin. Guys, so I had forgotten to wash my carpet earlier, so I'm gonna just wash it as usual. I'm using water with the liquid soap and an essential oil for the fragrance, and that was all the dirt that was on the carpet after mean. Yeah, and that's where the plants are. And this is the final look. Very small space, but I love this new look as compared to the last one. Maybe you can comment down below and let me know if you like it or not, and if you think there is anything that I can change.
Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you're new here, kindly consider to subscribe. It will go a long way.
Going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the high
So much for watching this video up to this point. I'm very grateful. If you are new, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Bye, and see you in my next video.
I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know